Oh man, that whole time it didn't record. It wasn't recording. You got to do them again. Sorry guys. Okay, do your introduction. You say hello guys. What are we doing again?
Hello guys. We are gonna do some awesome tricks.
Okay. Let's.
Starting with me.
Okay, go for it.
The Airline 2.0.
2.0, ladies and gentlemen.
Next one is.
Let him do it first.
Okay, who's next?
Next one is Mom. Manly jump.
Actually, okay, go ahead.
Going pretty high. Hold on. Let's get some speed.
Ooh, I saw it. And Mom's got to do one. Mom said she got one for us.
Space, guys. I need space. I'm iffy. You're going to run into me. My trick is not the get run over by my son. My trick is iffy. Are you going to go ahead of me so I don't bump into you? Thank you. Wait a second. I just want to make sure the family's okay. We don't get hit by cars or run into each other. But mine is can you move up, please? Because I'm about to go a little faster,
You
guys.
just called the Ayden move up, please.
Both of
Okay.
you guys to move up because I'm about to go a little faster. One,
Oh, yeah.
two, three. Because I can't balance myself while I'm relaxing. Oh,
There she goes. She's doing it. She did it. Mom did it. Mom did it. And
How we doing?
Yes.
2.0 in the house.
and right 2.0 in the house. Ayden did his.
It's the 14th place, or I gotta poop. Oh, I think I gotta go.
I want to, Daddy, I'm going to park mine and we're going to record you.
Where I call some